I was sent this cookware set. How beautiful is it, first of all? And this is an induction stovetop, so this can work with induction. It can also work with other stovetops as well. So beautiful, has not been used yet, but I love that you get all the different pieces with it. One thing that's really interesting is that you don't use high heat with it. So I'm about to cook corn, and normally when I boil water, I always put it on high heat to boil. But this, we're gonna use medium. So I think that's really fascinating, and let's see how it cooks. It's been 7 minutes and we're at level 7. What's interesting is I can touch this, it's not hot. This part, like a tiny bit warm, but I can still touch it, so not hot. Now let's see how it's doing boiling. We are just about at the boiling stage, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop the corn in. Okay, we'll see how this cooks up in 4 minutes. Worked perfectly. To drain the water comes out of the lid like that. I love it. Success. So excited for this cookware set. Only maybe a drawback is that it does say hand wash is preferred, and I am such a person who just throws everything in a dishwasher, so that might be a little bit of a bummer for me. But love, love, love. This was so easy to cook with, made everything really fast as well, and I just love how you can hold the handles and basically it doesn't get too hot. So really excited about this. High quality, it's amazing, and I know you're gonna love it too.